Assalamu alaikum and hi viewers, welcome to my channel Lecturer in Law. So today topic will be essentials of criminal law, which is a very basic point of criminal law. So in definition, criminal law originated from criminal offences, which means arrest, charging a suspected person, which mean criminals, and penalties will be awarded according to major acts or minor acts, which can be about 1 year or 2 year or can be a more than that. Then establishment of criminal law. So criminal law is called as statutory law and it is defined by federal, state and local laws by notification in official gazettes, and it is established to punish criminals in respect of minor to major offences in accordance with the major acts. So if we are talking about the types of criminal law, so it includes two types. The first one is misdemeanor, which is an offense that is considered a low level criminal offense such as minor assault, traffic offenses or petty thefts. And in most of the countries, especially in Pakistan, the penalty for the misdemeanor crime is typically 1 year or can be or less than 1 year. Then the second one is felony, which means a major or heinous offenses, which means a serious kind of offenses. So some kind of felony crimes includes murder, manslaughter, dealing drugs, rape, robbery and arson. So the punishment of felony can be more than 1 year and it depends according to the circumstances. So the main aspects of criminal law statutes are mens rea and actus reus. So the first of all, mens rea is a mental state with intention that one possesses when committing a crime. So for example, if a gang commit murder, it is necessary that the parties committing the murder intended to engage in the act. Then the second type is actus rea. In actus rea, the essential element is perpetrator, which means a criminal who having an intention to do an act. So this portion of the criminal statute refer to the action that is taken by the perpetrator. For example, perpetrator act must be established that they deliver the smuggling goods. So viewers, these are the essentials that are very important in criminal law. I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching.